Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix taskbar icons are not showing in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your taskbar icons are not showing, like you're not showing these icons here. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you can try to restart your file explorer. I don't recommend you to restart your PC yet. You have to restart your file explorer in your task manager. Now to open your task manager, you have to press buttons combination. So you just have to press Control plus Shift plus ESC key, and your task manager will be opened here. Now, once you are in Task Manager, you just have to click on this Run a New Task. The very first, you can try to restart your File Explorer. Just go to Details here, and you might get your Explorer.exe here. Right click on it, click on Restart. Now, once you have restarted, it will completely restart your desktop and your taskbar. Here you can see that your taskbar will be completely reloaded. So your issue might have been fixed in this step. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to again open your task manager here and click on this run new task. And here you have to search for CMD. And once you search for CMD, you have to make sure that you have enabled this. Create this task with administrative privileges, so it will allow your CMD to run in administrative mode. Once you have done, just click on OK. Your CMD or your command prompt will be opened. You just have to wait for a few seconds there. Once you see this command prompt, you just have to enter a command here, which is sfc space slash scan now. Just enter this and press enter from your keyboard. It will start a system scan which will completely scan your system file, because it might be that any of your system file has been damaged or has been broken, so it will be fixed in this tab. Your system file will be completely fixed, or it might be that the system file will be replaced by the original file, so your issue will be fixed in this tab. Just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes until this verification completes. And once it's done, your issue will be fixed. I recommend you have to make a restart after completing this process. So after doing this, you will not get this issue ever again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.